Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna do a review for a dash cam from fitcamx. So they reach out to me, they send me this dash cam, and this dash cam gonna give your car an OEM look. If you stay like me, where you don't like to see the dash cam screen while it's recording, this dash cam is for you. If you're one of them that like to see the screen while recording, this dash cam is not for you. But I always try to hide my screen behind the mirror, and I always turn the screen down as low as possible. So I know this dash cam will be for me. Also, it's a 4K dash cam. So that's what the box look like. So we have Wi-Fi, loop recording, G sensors. That's what they use to detect the crash. We have a wide angle and we have perfect fit. So it's gonna look like a OEM look, but let's get into the box and see what we have now. It's also HDR. They also have HDR in it, so let's go ahead. And also, guys, you can order this for any cars. You can check out their website. They'll have like, you put in your year, make, and model, and they will show you which one to take. They will reach out to you and tell you to send a picture if you're not sure. They have good customer service. So this part is the camera. This part plugged into the harness. So this will be up on the dash. You can see you have two buttons right here, and you have a slot for a memory card. Also got a memory card with it. So the memory card is it's not that easy to come out. So now we have to use a tweezer, I guess. Oh, it came out. You probably didn't see it, but maybe because I don't have any nails on. But it came out. This the SD card right here. I don't know what size it is because it's just blank. So guys, I noticed the memory card is kind of tricky to get out. They could do a little improvement right there, because you know memory card have like let me see if I can find another memory card. My GoPro right here. So you know memory card have this little lip on it right here where it can pull out like that, right? So if you see the memory card, you have that little lip right there where your finger or something can help take it out. This memory card have it, but it's on the other side where your finger won't be able to get to the memory card itself. So, and this part is the smooth part. So, but this gonna be up in your car, so there's no taking it over and flip it out. If you need to, so you can see you have the lip there on it right here. You have the lip, but the lip does not face down, it face up. So That's how the lip face up. So if you want to take it out, you just gotta do it fast and hope you can find it when it fly out. Once it fly out, because I try to take it out with a tweezer, it's still. So that's the only problem I see so far with it. The quality of this, it feels sturdy. It's not, you don't flex too much. So that's good. The quality is good, it's just the memory card. But once you have your memory card in, you don't need to take it out. You can stream it to your phone and by through their app. So that's good. Also, we have a memory card reader if you need to take it out. So that's what it comes with. This is the harness for the car. This plugged in right here, just like that. And this is the harness for the car. So this connect through your, it seems like it connect through what should I say, your roof light. Or so guys, the memory card, I have to put it in my computer to find out what it's really about. So the size is 64 gigabyte memory card. So once you install it, you can just put this cover right here and cover it up. And we have, before we use it, we have to reformat it. Okay, there it goes. So it's just a simple dash cam. You have the power button right here if you want to turn it off in case for any reason. And you have this button right here. I don't know what it's for, but let's get into the menu. And that's the manual right here. So this is what comes in the box. That's what you need for the setup for your car. So guys, this is the manual for the camera. You have a whole different, I have a lot of different language to it. So just find the one for English. You can read through it. You can find the app, fitcamx app in the App Store or Google Play Store. The buttons on the camera, which is here, you have one that's a camera button, and then you have the power button. To turn off the camera, you gotta press and hold it, and you will see the lights goes out. And if you want to turn it on, you can just go do a short press and it will turn on the camera. But while you're doing this in your day-to-day use, you do not need to touch any button, because once you turn the car on, it's gonna sense power from here and the camera is gonna turn on automatically. And once you turn the car off and lock your door, the power is gonna go away and the camera is gonna turn off. So you don't really need to be pressing these buttons once you go through the setup and everything. And these are some lights, and one of these holes is a hard reset button right there to reset the camera to the factory settings. So let's get on with the installation, guys. We get this to help with the trim, so that's good. And we're gonna get on with the installation. Also, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. And I'm putting this in the 2021 Honda Passport, but they have it for a lot of different cars. So let's get started on the installation. So guys, you can see where I put my dash cam right here. I just hide it behind the mirror so the screen don't bother me at night. So just hold your rear view mirror, turn that down. You want to pull it from the top part right here. So get your finger up in there, pull this down. It's gonna come off like that. So I just shake my, so you can see I just shake my camera so to get that. So this come in the box, so you can kind of pry it down and pull it towards you like this, and it will come out. So you can see I get it loose. Some sting just hooked over in that side right there, so that's why I pull it this way and down at the same time. Now it's time to push it to the other side and pull down at the same time as well. So just have 2 screws in here, 2 Phillips screws we gotta take off. We got a Phillips screwdriver. Also in the front have 1 screw right here, and there should be another one over here. You want to pry the part that it pivot on, so you don't want to pry on this side, you want to pry right here. So guys, once you start taking down both of the screw, you're gonna see it's coming down just like that, and then we can just pull this down. And you can see where to plug your stuff at. So guys, once we take this down, you're gonna come up here, right? This one right here that control the lights, you're gonna pull this light out, and we have the harness, so we can plug this in right here. So what this harness is like a bypass harness, just tap into the system, so that's why it's like this. Just tap into the power from the light, from the roof light. So yep, you know it's always going to get power once the car is on. So we just gotta plug this in right here. And then we just plug this one back in right there. And now we have power for our light like that, and now we have power for our camera. So we just need to run the wires for our camera up to here. So let's get that started up. So guys, we're just gonna run our wires through here. This wire right here, just one wire, run it in, come over here. We already have our harness right here, so that's good. So let's just put this piece back on right now. So you can see these tabs right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. So we have those 6 tabs that's locked in right there. You can see how this have, you can see, get it to focus, you can see right there. So, and you can see how this shape, once you line it up, just press it up and it will snap right in. So guys, you can see it's a nice clean look. I have to give them that. It's look different than the camera just hanging right here. So now you can see we just need to put this piece back in, and we have our wire that come over here. We just need to plug it in right here. So once we plug that in, it should have power. So once I plug it in, you will see a blue light flashing right there. That means it's recording. So that's, we in business. It's good. It's have power, it's recording. So that's good. Once I lock the car, the power gonna go out of the switch, off the light, and it will just turn off. So that's good. So we just catch back our screws, our 4 screws. That's good. And we just need to snap these back in. and also snap this back in, and that's it. We're gonna try to review some footage from this camera and make sure it's good. So guys, what we're gonna do now is just go ahead and install our app. So you just need to open the Play Store, search fitcam. So once you open the Play Store, search fitcamx, you're gonna have both these two right here, but it's the one at the top right here. Hit the download button. This is how you do it for on iPhone. I'm gonna open it. So once you do that, we're gonna add a camera. You're gonna ask you to add a camera. So you press add a camera, and you can basically, you will see how everything take place right there. Just follow the instructions. So it's gonna take you to the internet service, the Wi-Fi section in your phone. Then you go ahead and press on that. That's the network name right here. So it's gonna load it. What you can do is go down here. You can turn off your mobile data, give it a better connection. So now we can open the camera app. We can go ahead and connect. Add that. Gonna ask you to connect. So yes, allow. All right. I see. That's good. Go back here. So now it's gonna show you a preview. At the top, it's showing it's recording right here, over here. And if you want to see the files, you can go to download files. These are the previous drive that I did. You can go to setting right here. Once you go to setting, you can change your video resolution. It came at 2560 1440. That's quad HD. If you wanted to go to 4K, because it can shoot in 4K, you can just select the top one. Is 3840 2160. So that's 4K. Right here, loop record. You want to see how long you want the videos to go. So you have 5 minute, 1 minute, and 3 minute. I select 3 minute. It comes select 3 minute, but I select 3 minute because the file is going to be big and you don't want the files to be too big. So you want to select 3 minute. So guys, this is the mic test. Just talking regular, see what it picked up on the mic. Just regular talking, just testing the mic. I don't know if you guys can hear me good. I won't be able to know until I get the video from the camera. Also, it's a nice, it's a very clean look, guys. I must say, it looked like it does. It doesn't look like I have a dash cam by sitting in. Everything look OEM.